Hello folks, welcome back to Sister Brother Eats. Today we'll be doing a stuffed cream cheese salmon. So first, what you want to do, get you some nice thick cut bacon. Cut open the package. Let me add, while you're doing that, you want to get your pan nice and hot. So go ahead and turn your pan on. Because as soon as you cut up your bacon, you throw it in the pan. Nice olive oil your pan down. Bacon. Move it around. Spread it out. Once you get your bacon nice and crispy, transfer into a bowl with a paper towel, get some of that grease off. Got your pan nice and clean. You want to get it re-hot. Get your spinach in there. We spin it around. Let me get probably about half, a little bit more than half of the cream cheese. I'll break it up. Put it in there. You want to break everything down. All right. You want to break this down. Turn the heat down some. Break that down. Seasoning on here.
Okay, what kind of seasoning is this?
Salt, pepper, garlic blend. Then you come over here with some Miss Tony's Creole. And then last but not least, some Saison. Stir that in, mix it around. And then come over here with your bacon. Keep letting that move around. Used to it. Get your mixture. Turn off your eye. Put you in a bowl. Olive oil. Not there. That nice round. Get you some Obey. Saison. The same thing we use as we season our cheese mixture and spinach mix. Salt, pepper, garlic blend. Tony's. And you want to flip it gently, not to break up the salmon. And massage all that seasoning on there. It's all nice and well coated. Okay. Then you're going to take it and you're going to put a little slit. A little pocket. Now, salmon, we got a mixture. Nice heaping in there. Okay. All right. Come over here in the oven. 350, 20, 25 minutes. Gonna make our honey hot glaze. Very simple. Do some butter. Nice little dollop. Put it in there. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. I like hot. You know. Come over here and get you a little dab of honey. Bring that to a boil. Come over here. Ooh. Nice and golden brown. Get you one. Plate it up. Some sauce we made.